Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see a new features on our Robo Alice G. Earlier we have implemented the buy side option. Suppose if the signal giving a buy, it will take the call buy. If the signal giving the sell in the MT4, it will square off the call option and that will take the put buy. So now we have introduced another two options. The first, we are opening the option champion in the Robo. After that we are loading the pilot symbol. Once that is done, so we have to press build option chain. After that, in the link MT4 for auto trading, just select Bank Nifty. After that, in the bottom we have three options: buy only, sell only and buy short. Earlier it was buy only, so now we have sell only and the buy short. So I will just explain you in this video. So what is sell only and the buy short? So buy only means in the MT4, say for example, if you are getting a buy here, on the next candle the Robo will take the buy call. On the next candle the Robo will take the call option buy. So when we get the sell means it will square off the call buy and that will take the put buy. So for sell only means, suppose if you are getting a buy here, instead of just going for a call buy, that will sell the put. Okay, instead of going for a call buy, Robo will take the put sell. Same for the sell. Suppose if you are getting a sell, okay, sell signal means it will square off the existing put sell and that will go for a call sell. So that is the advantage of the sell only. The sell only merely that is for shorting and options. And the third option, we have a buy short. It means that in the buy short portion, suppose if you are getting a buy call means it will buy the call option, same time that will sell the put option. So we are getting the benefit of both the buy and short. So we can use this option. So by this way we can get the benefit of going for a long in the option and for going short in the option at the same time. So I will show the example using a button system. Because today the market is not live, so I'm just showing the example by using the button. So see here, so there is a buy button and the sell button. So I will initiate as a buy. So when I press the buy position, so we can say in the Robo what will happen. So I'm just starting the Robo once. Okay, Bank Nifty is loaded, buy short is loaded. I'm starting the Robo. So I'm pressing again buy, press yes. Now we have in the order log, we have buy and short. Okay, buy and short, new position is open. So we can do the cross check. So I'm coming to the end and just giving a refresh. So I'm just visiting the completed section. Okay. So we can see there are two positions open. Okay. The first is the call buy. That's about 21,800 buy and 21,400 put is sell. The time also is given. So we have the two positions open. So this position, okay, and this is the second position. Because we got the buy means, okay, we triggered the buy button. So we got a buy here. Okay, after that we got a sell. So both happen at the simultaneously. Let's see what will happen when I give sell. So again I coming to the chart and I pressing sell. So I can minimize this one and I can give refresh. So we can see earlier we was a buy call. Okay, after that we have a sell because the call is in buy. So since we have pressed the sell button, now that has to take the put buy and call sell, right? So we can see the same has happened. We can see the call got squared off and put has went long. So earlier we had a call buy. So now we have a put buy. Okay, put buy and the call sell. So in case if you want to book a profit, we have an option to close. So just press close. We can see position got squared off. So again I'm coming to the end and I'm giving refresh. I'm coming to completed. Earlier we have taken a sell side, so put was buy. So now the put got sold and call also brought. So we just close the position. So for demo you can visit our site babajirobotrader.com. So we are giving a demo for 2 days.